afternoon, everybody. This is Rob of Lone Ranger 69, heading out, just passing through Horseshoe Bend. Gonna be going up to Silver Creek. Easiest landmark would be the Silver Creek campground or the Silver Creek plunge, hot water fed pool. Going past there for some dispersed camping. Meeting up with a friend from online. Haven't met her yet in person. This will be the first time, so that should be fun. Wife wasn't able to make it. Weather's going to be a little bit too cold in the evenings for her, so she's staying home. But I'll get back to you guys when I get closer up there and show you where we're going to be at. This is part of the reason why I do this. A lot of times by the time I'm getting where I'm going, I'm already so relaxed. It's heaven. Even the UPS guy has to pull off and enjoy it. We're on the road heading up towards Lowman, Crouch, and a couple other towns. Very scenic, very beautiful drive. There's times I wish I could do this full time, but then I think I'd actually get burned out and I wouldn't enjoy it as much. Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite kind of camping areas and stuff like that, what you like to do. And this is mine right here. I love being by water. Also, like, share, subscribe, all the normal crap. It's free, doesn't hurt. Hopefully helps me out. I would appreciate it. Fresh air, you can smell the trees. I'd have to say the best perk about my job is having 3-day weekends. Hell of a view. to you here in a little bit. Here we're coming into the city of Crouch, the town of Crouch. I've been wanting to come up here and walk around, a little tourist trap. Cute little town. Well, I made it to the camp spot. My buddy Bill, aka Grizz, he would have hated this. No scenery at all. Dirty water, not even clear. Pathetic. Whoever keeps moving here to Idaho to see this kind of stuff, you might move back wherever you came from. There's nothing to see here. Nature nest, out in the wild. Right where she likes to be. My H-calorie toolbox heater. It's supposed to get a little nippy this evening. Love that. Best couple $100 ever spent. I have to throw my shorts on and brave the freezing water. Should have brought the lawnmower. It'd be nice if Nature Nest started putting exhaust fans up in their tents, help draw some, better air circulation. I know it's a budget brand, but they can splurge on some things once in a while. And you could fit about 3 vehicles, maybe a little bit more. A couple tents. Should have my pistol on me. Really don't want to meet a bear without it. This would be a good spot for the wife to put her tent up. Little fish just jumped out of there. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to break down and buy me fishing gear again. That would have been more of a hors d'oeuvre, not a meal though. And a nice little path down to the water. I have to bring the chair down here and sit in the shade. And you really have to watch your step. Some nice little hole for a critter. There's the 5-cent tour. Probably spend the next few days. Like I said, this is right past Silver Creek Campground and Plunge and that. And there's other camp spots on the side of the road right up against the river here, or creek on the way up here. Most of them were full, there were a few open. This is further up. But this will do it for now. I'm gonna enjoy the day.